explain to us, Victor, what it is you're doing.
I'm just gonna take a little soldering iron and just sort of cover up this encasing of this wire right here, because it's
Of this lightning cable?
yeah, it's just a little stripped away. So if you put a little extra protection, it'll just be better.
And that cable goes for about like $17 in the Apple Store.
Yeah.
So, well, we have the ability to repair it, right?
To a certain extent.
Okay. This should make the cable stronger, not like the original, but adds a little layer of protection that it didn't have before, right?
Yeah.